Yes, 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 sorry. We're starting our day right off the bat inside the garage because it is absolutely freezing. As nice as it seems outside, it's not. It's a quick update. I wonder what's in this box. And then here we have a really, really rad clutch setup that we're gonna go ahead and use for the Z32. So, guys, today's plan, I probably should have done our intro before I fired up that old thing. If you guys missed yesterday's video, go ahead and catch yourself up, man. We welded up almost every single hole in this engine bay. I already saw a comment. You guys are already making jokes. Will Kalvin have this engine bay done before part 100? LOL, bro. LOL. That's funny. But you know what? I'm gonna prove that man's wrong. We'll have it done before episode 20, okay? Hopefully before episode 19, okay? Yes. I'm gonna just get right into it, boys. You guys know the drill. Let's get this engine bay. I'm really talking with my hands today. Let's get this engine bay complete. Oh man, guys, okay, what time is it? It is 9 o'clock. Fast forward, oh boy, like at least 7 hours. So I pretty much just skipped filming the whole like rough sanding part. So I went ahead and got, I think I got everything done in 80 grit or 60 grit, whatever. So I'll go ahead and use a little bit of filler back there on the firewall, just to touch here and there. But man, it is looking so good. And then of course, someone in the comments, I just was reading the comments in today's video, said, oh, but the holes in the upper radiator support. So you know, here we are, of course. Had to do it. Made little little patch pieces that I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, stick in here. You know, like that. Weld them in. Unfortunately, we have no gas in our welder, which kind of sucks. But that's okay. So I'm really just trying to grind and get this whole engine bay done, guys, because I want to move on past this process just as much as you guys do, okay? But you guys got to understand, it's just me out here, okay? It's just me. I'm doing my best, man. I'm doing my best. But so essentially how I got the shape was, as you guys can see, just toss some tape down and use the razor blade and cut that hole out, put the piece of tape on the metal, cut around it, and then there you go. You could go ahead and just like put a plate underneath it, but there is a raised lip here on the bottom, so you would end up filling that with a lot of weld or a lot of filler, so I decided to just go ahead and make a fill-in piece. So here we go, let's do it. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut this hole out for our intercooler pipe, and I'm not too stoked how that side came out. As you guys can see, I now have to kind of body work it to make it look semi-decent. This side, I'm gonna go ahead and weld from the top, and I made myself a little plate that just sits just inside of it, so it'll come out much cleaner, I think. There you guys see our plate. Sorry about the heater, man. It's freezing out here. So I got our plate. I'm gonna weld from the underside under here, that way it's nice and clean up top, you know? Alright, so I pretty much just went around the whole engine bay and circled or pointed out everything that I kind of need to go over. All this, some down here, you know, just little spots, obviously all up there. Not too many spots, you know, but at least this will give me a good reference as to where to look and what I have to kind of mess with still. So the game plan, it is 11 something at night. However, I'm still gonna be out here for a few. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean off everything, at least all the areas that need some attention, get them all wiped down with alcohol, go ahead and fill with our glazing putty, and we should be looking pretty damn good here. I'm gonna be out here for another, you know, definitely a while, because I want to make some nice progress, because I don't want to keep filming these sanding videos for you guys, even though there's a lot of work that is involved with this, but it's starting to get repetitive, and I know. Oh, by the way, it's the next day. I'm trying to jam this out real quick. So, trying to cut the talking, but I'm just gonna let you guys know what I'm up to. Last night, I went ahead and did everything I think I needed to do as far as body filler. Worst comes to worst, I need to do a couple little small spots, which would only take me like an extra 30 minutes to go ahead and do. I'm cool with that. Everything else is looking really good. I went ahead and did the glazing putty on all our remaining spots, and we are looking fresh. So I have to go ahead and sand the entire bay with 220. I have to sand this side, well, the remaining spots with body filler, like up here. Dude, this is gonna look so clean now with no holes in it. Goddamn. Whoever commented that, shout out, because, you know, it's because of your comment I did that. Oh yeah, and by the way, we got our holes cut out. This hole came out super clean. Same with this one. Just have to go ahead and kind of body work the little end pieces. This one's gonna be way easier than the other side because I actually was able to get this side to flush mount on top, whereas this side I welded it from the bottom because there's a lip, and I don't know why I didn't realize I could have just welded from underneath. And whatever, you live and learn. There's just a lot of work, man. There's a lot. I don't think you, I mean, I don't know if it shows up on camera because there's been a lot of stuff I've done off camera, but God damn, there's a lot of work involved in this, man. Especially when it's just one person, it takes a lot of time. So we're getting through it though. We're doing good. We're doing good. Alright guys, well this is pretty wild to think about, but I'm pretty sure all the body filling is done. Oh my god. Woohoo! I'm out here listening to some Logic. Hang on. You know, and just getting some sanding done. So guys, we're about to, oh hang on. We're about to go ahead and step it up to the 220, and then afterwards I'm just gonna hit it finally with the 400 just to get rid of all the major kind of sanding scratches and stuff like that. But guys, I cannot believe that we are done. No, yeah, I mean, there's a little spot, there's a couple welds I still have to grind down with like the smaller die grinder, but then we'll just go ahead and use like that putty, which will be dry in, you know, 10 minutes, and sands off super easy. So we're looking good. Let's go ahead and get this thing finally sanded in 220, then 400, and then guys, we are gonna be looking good, man. So let's just finish this sucker up. Look at all of this dust. Come on, camera, you got this. Oh my god. Hey.
Oh yeah.
I got room up here? Like up, pointing where my fingers at?
Oh yeah.
Plenty?
Oh yeah.
Okay. I guess we're drilling a hole right there then, Jared. Okay. It's slinging.
Sparks?
Nah, just metal shards everywhere. Alright. Jared, hand me some WD-40 or something. I think I'm drilling through something. Jared?
Yeah, stop. Where'd you go?
I'm definitely drilling through something. We can't see you out there, Jared. Sorry about that. It's not gonna happen. Actually, we could hang on a second. Hang on a second.
You know. Wow.
Oh.
That's a bitch hole, dude.
This is like a pinhole.
Yeah. Come on, let's take 10 seconds.
We're gonna be here a while. You gotta drink the whole beer, dude.
Yeah.
You don't pour half of it out.
Oh, I put it right through the barcode. You won't get a refund.
Do another one, dude.
Fuck no.
Why not?
Just slam that other beer real quick.
You stoked?
No. A little bit. Gassy.
Yeah, I heard that, man. I kind of felt that in the ground a little bit. Okay.
Dude, the sun is insane.
Okay, so here we are. It's 1:37. I'm trying to get this thing in primer tonight. Been at it all damn day. I still need to go ahead and sand some more. So essentially, guys, I've been doing so much stuff off camera. Obviously, as you guys can see. Yes. So yes. Only thing left I gotta go ahead and do is give one final sand, 220, and then we should be good to go. Fingers crossed. Let's just continue, man. I'm gonna go ahead and just do one final sand. And I guess we'll go from there. We're looking good so far, man. Alright guys, well it is almost 3 in the morning and I'm about to call it a night. I don't think I'm going to paint this thing tonight. I'm way too tired, I'm way too hungry right now to go ahead and start painting. I figured we'll go ahead and just get it done tomorrow. It's just better, it's just a better situation because I figured I'll be up here till like 5, 6 a.m. and I don't feel like doing that today. We're pretty much ready. Still some spots that I kind of have to touch up and mess with still, but I mean guys, I don't know if it shows up on camera, but the amount of work put in, I mean it's just nuts, and it's all just glass, you know. It's crazy, dude. Like look at all those holes that are patched up in there, you know. Holes be everywhere, dude. Firewall, I mean, you know, everywhere, guys. These seams back here, up in here, all back up in here, back in there, everywhere. So taking off like the whole suspension assembly allowed us to free up some room. So first off, we can go ahead and get underneath here, get real nice, you know, paint job around our coilover area, and then also get rid of our brackets here. Where are they? I think I moved them to the side or something like that. But you have the 2 brackets that hold on the upper control arm for each side. So with those out the way, we have full clearance on everything, and there's just so much room I could hop in if I really wanted to. But yeah guys, that is gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, guys. We're finally ready for primer. Next video you guys tune in for tomorrow will be a primer video, maybe even base coat and clear coat. So we'll get some paint on this thing here tomorrow. Super excited because once it's painted we can really move forward with this build. So I'll see you guys back here then. Have a good night. Peace.